Ready, here she goes, Lee. She's running for spin now. See if she breaks down today. Building up, here she goes. Ooh! Oh, baby. Steady down, baby. Steady down. She's shaking about there, alright. Shaking about there. Nice and steady. Keep it together, Lee. She's building up again. Nice and steady. You ready? Here she goes. Here she goes, alright. The old indice, about 5-year-old. She's making a right racket on spin now. She might need exchanging. Here we go. Oh, she's grabbing about it. I'm on 1200 here. She won't go for 12 though. Not on this one. Oh, she's still not ready. She's hanging about there. Still hanging about. Next one. This one she's going to throw it all at it. Really get in there. Dry that cobber right out. Without breaking the machine down. Here she goes, she's building again. This is time, this is one she'll spin on. Can she hold it together? Now I'm having to lean on this so it don't vibrate all over it flowy. So bang about here, alright. Oh, 12 minutes, 11 minutes left. Where is it? I can't see thee. Get rusty out. Why do they always leak thee? Only 5-year-old. Absolute disgrace. Is that it? Right, she's building now, alright. Here we go, hold on tight. Here she goes, baby. She hasn't gone full belt yet. She's coming up now. She's building her up. Push my arm up bracket if she flies out of there. Here she goes. Down for 1200 spin, but she won't go over 1000, I don't think. Not on that setting 11. Here we go, she's building. She's building up alright. Get it dry, baby. Won't dry outside. Now I won't dry inside neither. Speed her up, boy. She's going all over here, alright. Let's shake it here. Shake it all over here. That it, she's not on full belt here. She ain't on full belt here. That'd be a good thing anyway. I really hear them ball bearings here, no doubt about that. She's slowly increasing. She's hanging in there. She's hanging in. Speed is going up again. Old indices hanging in there. Listen to that racket. Really high pitched. Lee? She's eased off alright. Is that it, Lee? Or she gonna go for another spin, real big heavy duty one? I ain't that saying it. Says 8 minutes, but I think she's done it. It's that time. Yeah, she's done. It's gone to 2. She's done her job, the. Right. Get it on for the next hole.